100 past papers MCQs, with answers on topic. Good manufacturing practices, GMP, in subject pharmacy law and ethics. We are sharing questions and the direct answers to save your time. General syllabus has been given in our video, A1, uploaded at our YouTube channel, Pharmacy Jobs and MCQs. Topic: Good manufacturing practices, GMP. Question 1. What is the full form of GMP? Answer: Good manufacturing practices. Question 2. GMP guidelines are primarily designed to ensure what? Answer: Product quality and safety. Question 3. Who is responsible for GMP enforcement in the pharmaceutical industry in Pakistan? Answer: Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan (DRAP). Question 4. What is the primary goal of GMP in pharmaceutical production? Answer: To ensure that products are consistently produced and controlled to quality standards. Question 5. GMP regulations require manufacturers to follow what? Answer: Standard Operating Procedures (SOPs). Question 6. Which section of the Drug Act, 1976 deals with GMP in Pakistan? Answer: Section 23. Question 7. GMP guidelines recommend validation of which processes? Answer: Manufacturing, packaging, and labeling processes. Question 8. What is the essential component of GMP regarding the production environment? Answer: Cleanliness and hygiene. Question 9. What should be done in case of a deviation from SOP in a GMP-compliant facility? Answer: Record the deviation and investigate the cause. Question 10. What does batch certification ensure in GMP? Answer: That each batch meets the required specifications. Question 11. GMP emphasizes maintaining records for what purpose? Answer: Traceability and accountability of each batch. Question 12. What is the purpose of a master formula record in GMP? Answer: To provide instructions for the manufacturing process. Question 13. Which authority can inspect pharmaceutical manufacturing facilities for GMP compliance in Pakistan? Answer: DRAP inspectors. Question 14. GMP requires training for which category of personnel? Answer: All personnel involved in production and quality control. Question 15. According to GMP, what is critical for maintaining product quality during storage? Answer: Proper storage conditions. Question 16. Which documentation ensures that all necessary steps in manufacturing are followed? Answer: Batch production record. Question 17. GMP guidelines recommend that equipment used in manufacturing should be what? Answer: Regularly calibrated and maintained. Question 18. What is a critical aspect of personnel hygiene in GMP? Answer: Wearing protective clothing. Question 19. GMP requires that manufacturing areas be free of what? Answer: Contaminants and cross-contamination. Question 20. In GMP, what is the purpose of in-process controls? Answer: To monitor and adjust the process to ensure product quality. Question 21. What should be done with rejected products according to GMP? Answer: Properly labeled, recorded, and stored separately. Question 22. GMP requires pharmaceutical manufacturers to have what kind of system for product recalls? Answer: A recall procedure. Question 23. How often should self-inspections be carried out in a GMP facility? Answer: regularly, as per a defined schedule. Question 24. What is the role of quality control (QC) in GMP? Answer: to test and verify that products meet specifications. Question 25. According to GMP, how should raw materials be stored? Answer: in a controlled environment with proper labeling. Question 26. What does the term qualified personnel refer to in GMP? Answer: personnel with appropriate education, training, and experience. Question 27. What is the role of the qualified person (QP) in GMP? Answer: to ensure that each batch complies with regulatory requirements. Question 28. GMP guidelines emphasize the importance of controlling what during manufacturing? Answer: temperature and humidity. Question 29. GMP requires that all changes in production processes be what? Answer: documented and approved. Question 30. How long should batch records be kept according to GMP? Answer: for at least 1 year after the product's expiry date. Question 31. GMP specifies that all equipment should be what before use? Answer: cleaned and sanitized. Question 32. What is the key focus of validation in GMP? Answer: ensuring that processes consistently produce quality products. Question 33. GMP requires which type of system to monitor equipment performance? Answer: preventive maintenance system. Question 34. GMP guidelines stress the importance of what during product packaging? Answer: correct labeling and identification. Question 35. According to GMP, deviations from standard procedures should be what? Answer: investigated and documented. Question 36. What is the purpose of stability testing in GMP? Answer: to ensure the product remains stable throughout its shelf life. Question 37. GMP mandates that manufacturing areas be what? Answer: segregated to prevent contamination. Question 38. Who is responsible for approving SOPs in a GMP-compliant facility? Answer: quality assurance (QA). Question 39. In GMP, a controlled document refers to what? Answer: any document that is managed and updated as per the system's guidelines. Question 40. What is a critical factor in avoiding cross-contamination in GMP? Answer: proper cleaning procedures. Question 41. GMP guidelines require that each process step be what? Answer: recorded in real time. Question 42. What must be done with expired products in a GMP facility? Answer: they must be quarantined and disposed of properly. Question 43. GMP guidelines emphasize the control of what during manufacturing processes? Answer: critical parameters. Question 44. What is the purpose of a certificate of analysis (COA) in GMP? Answer: to certify that the product meets specifications. Question 45. What is an important GMP requirement for warehouses? Answer: proper temperature and humidity control. Question 46. What is the purpose of a risk assessment in GMP? Answer: to identify and mitigate risks to product quality. Question 47. GMP guidelines require proper documentation of what during equipment maintenance? Answer: Calibration and servicing records. Question 48. GMP requires the use of what to track and ensure product safety? Answer: batch numbers and lot tracking. Question 49. According to GMP, finished products must be stored in what kind of conditions? Answer: controlled and monitored. Question 50. GMP guidelines recommend the use of what to prevent mix-ups during production? Answer: labeling and segregation. Question 51. What is required by GMP for handling complaints? Answer: a documented procedure for investigating complaints. Question 52. GMP emphasizes that all critical production steps should be performed by whom? Answer: trained and qualified personnel. Question 53. GMP requires regular monitoring of what aspect of the manufacturing environment? Answer: air quality. Question 54. What is required under GMP to ensure consistency in product quality? Answer: process validation. Question 55. What should happen to materials that fail quality control tests according to GMP? Answer: they should be quarantined and investigated. Question 56. GMP mandates the control of what type of documentation? Answer: controlled forms, labels, and specifications. Question 57. What is an essential aspect of cleaning validation in GMP? Answer: ensuring no residues remain that could contaminate future batches. Question 58. According to GMP, production equipment should be what to ensure product quality? Answer: properly maintained and calibrated. Question 59. In GMP, what is the role of a deviation report? Answer: to document any unplanned events that occur during manufacturing. Question 60. GMP guidelines stress the importance of what during the receipt of raw materials? Answer: quality inspection. Question 61. How should change controls be managed under GMP? Answer: documented and approved by the QA department. Question 62. GMP requires the retention of samples from each batch for what reason? Answer: for future reference and testing. Question 63. What is the purpose of a validation protocol in GMP? Answer: to outline the procedures for process validation. Question 64. GMP requires that all personnel wear what while handling products? Answer: appropriate personal protective equipment (PPE). Question 65. According to GMP, labeling of products should be done at which stage? Answer: during or immediately after packaging. Question 66. What is the purpose of cleaning logs in GMP? Answer: to document cleaning activities and ensure traceability. Question 67. According to GMP, what should happen to any out-of-specification OOS products? Answer: they should be quarantined and investigated. Question 68. GMP requires regular audits of which areas in the facility? Answer: manufacturing, storage, and quality control areas. Question 69. What must be controlled to prevent mix-ups in a GMP-compliant facility? Answer: product labels and packaging materials. Question 70. GMP guidelines require that training records be what? Answer: kept and updated regularly. Question 71. What does GMP emphasize about the control of starting materials? Answer: Proper documentation and traceability. Question 72. GMP guidelines require proper documentation of what during the shipment of products? Answer: conditions and procedures. Question 73. What must be done with obsolete documents in a GMP facility? Answer: removed from use and archived. Question 74. What is the role of a recall procedure under GMP? Answer: to remove defective products from the market quickly. Question 75. GMP requires that manufacturing personnel undergo what type of assessments? Answer: regular performance evaluations. Question 76. What should be done with unused packaging materials in a GMP facility? Answer: they should be returned to storage or destroyed. Question 77. GMP emphasizes that documentation should be what? Answer: legible, clear, and accurate. Question 78. What is the purpose of mock recall exercises in GMP? Answer: to test the recall system and improve preparedness. Question 79. GMP guidelines recommend that utilities like water and air be what? Answer: regularly tested and monitored. Question 80. GMP requires that equipment cleaning be validated for what purpose? Answer: to prevent cross-contamination. Question 81. What is a key aspect of the GMP requirement for process control? Answer: monitoring critical process parameters. Question 82. GMP guidelines recommend regular calibration of what? Answer: instruments and equipment. Question 83. According to GMP, finished products must pass what before release? Answer: quality control testing. Question 83. According to GMP, finished products must pass what before release? Answer: quality control testing. Question 84. GMP requires that deviations from SOPs be handled how? Answer: investigated, documented, and approved. Question 85. What is required for proper disposal of rejected materials in a GMP-compliant facility? Answer: documented procedures and destruction records. Question 86. What is the purpose of in-process quality checks according to GMP? Answer: to ensure that products meet specifications during manufacturing. Question 87. GMP mandates the documentation of what type of product testing? Answer: stability testing. Question 88. What is an essential feature of good distribution practices (GDP) related to GMP? Answer: maintaining product integrity during transport. Question 89. What is the role of a corrective action plan in GMP? Answer: to address and correct any non-compliance or deviations. Question 90. GMP emphasizes proper documentation of which process to avoid contamination? Answer: cleaning and sanitation procedures. Question 91. What must be done to critical equipment before use in GMP manufacturing? Answer: calibration and validation. Question 92. GMP regulations require which kind of storage for hazardous materials? Answer: segregated and clearly labeled storage. Question 93. According to GMP, which type of product label must be thoroughly checked before use? Answer: batch-specific labels. Question 94. GMP requires regular training for personnel to ensure compliance with what? Answer: Updated procedures and regulatory requirements. Question 95. What is the purpose of a batch release certificate in GMP? Answer. To confirm that the batch meets all regulatory and quality standards. Question 96. GMP requires that records be kept for what minimum period after product expiration? Answer. 1 year. Question 97. What must be regularly assessed to ensure GMP compliance in manufacturing areas? Answer. Environmental monitoring. Question 98. GMP mandates what process to handle customer complaints? Answer. A documented investigation and resolution procedure. Question 99. What is the purpose of equipment qualification in GMP? Answer. To ensure that equipment is suitable for its intended use. Question 100. GMP requires regular internal audits to verify what? Answer. Ongoing compliance with GMP standards and guidelines. Regards. To get more, contact us. Majid Body Advocate, LLB, PhD Scholar, Pharmaceutics 2023-2026. Vice President, Pakistan Pharmacist Association PPA Punjab, Pakistan. +92321 40422036. Thank you.